I'm Nathan James, and I built this energy transfer with a camera operator, Brennan Harvey. We're from Rock Springs Elementary, and we are competing in an elementary division with a project named Nature Trail. How it starts is, the wheel that we built out of Lego-type objects will turn and hit a marble. The marble will drop through a hole in a cardboard tube, then zigzag on another piece of cardboard with a popsicle stick. After that part, the rolling marble will fall into a cup connected to a wheel. The wheel will spin, making the ball fall into a cardboard track, then go into two more pieces of cardboard, fall into a toilet paper tube, fall into a Hot Wheel track, then roll down another tube. When the marble falls from the other paper towel tube, the ball will hit dominoes. The last domino will hit another marble. That ball will roll down a race car track, hitting a big metal ball. This big ball will roll down into a small funnel and swirl in the funnel, and the metal ball will fall between two disconnected wires, complete the circuit, and make the alarm clock ring at the 1 minute mark. Ready, set, go.